Hello guys, if you have a skill and you want to get a job immediately from online, then this video for you. Today I'll show you 10 websites where you can get your dream job and you can start your journey immediately from those websites. If you have the skill, then you can get manage a job immediately. I can give you the guarantee, and here I will show you 10 websites today, and you can search this website in Google, and you can go through this website. You can find everything from this website, and you can submit your profile, I mean CV. Then you can manage a job, at least a job in those websites. So this first website called Indeed. So this is a global website, and you can go this website, and after go this website you can search what types skill do you have, and you can find the job. Like I want to show you something here. Suppose you have the web development skill. Here put web development. So web developer, find the job, and you can put the city as well, which city you live. So here you see I am from Malaysia, and this job actually showing me from Malaysia, web developer. So you can try in this website. This is very good website, and this website have good review. You can figure it out from YouTube or from Google. And here you see one web developer. They need one web developer, and this job post from today here. So if you are a web developer and you have the skill, you can apply for this job. And here you see this site actually showing me from Malaysia 135 jobs, I guess. So you can try this website. And here you see company reviews. This website actually good website to find a job, remote job, or you can also can get a job in your city. Here you see they have lots of good review. And so number two, the website I will show you, this called nakuri.com, and here you can find as well job, and you can create your account. Here you see, and you can post your job. If you need any worker, you can get hired from here, this website. And here if you search anything, here you see web designer and search here. So as well this website will give you lots of job. Here you see total have I guess 12,000 jobs available, and you can at least manage one job from there, I guess, if you have the skill. And if you try, just go through this website, create your account and everything what need, then you can find a job from this website. This website also good website, and I can give you guarantee, if you have skill, then you can find a job immediately from this website. This website have lots of job, as you see guys, here 12,900 and 46 web designer jobs. And just search your skill, which skill you have. If you have programmer, JavaScript, or HTML, Angular, Cloud, PHP, any type of programming language, if you have the skill, then you can find the job from this website. This website called nakuri.com. Just go through Google and just search. So number three website I want to show you, this is called Monster. And so this is actually showing my location, and here you see now monster.com.my. so if you from UK or United States or Canada, then they will show you your country, and you will see the jobs from your country. Here just search something, web design here. And this website as well have lots of jobs. So if you have the skill, you can earn get a job from this website as well. Here you see lots of jobs available. And this also is a good website. You can find the review from YouTube or from Google. Just search about review, then you will get the review from the online. and I can give you the guarantee, guys, if you just follow this 10 website and if you do everything what they actually ask, and if you have the skill, then you can immediately get the job. So this is called Monster Find Better. Okay, so you can try from this website. So guys, this is another website called Byte.com. So you can get job from this website as well. If you go through this website, and you will see the interface like this, and you can search the job title, and you can get the job from this website as well. So first, you have to make sure you have the skill. If you don't have the skill, and if you visit this website to get a job, I don't give you any guarantee then you will get the job. So must you have to have a skill, at least, then you can find a job if you have the skill and you can manage a job. So if you don't have skill, then if you just visit this website, there's doesn't make sense. Here, this website called byte.com, just go through Google and search this website, and you can as well get a job from this website. Here you see they have option to create your CV. You can create your account and you can create your CV. Then if anybody go through this website and they search, they will find the person and they will can be knock you. And so I will go to show you another website. This called CareerCloud, and this is actually same this website. I just have show you 4 website, and this is as well same website. And here you see what actually they are telling you. CreateCloud is a resource to help you build a career and a life of you choosing, whether that is finding your first job, next job, making a career pivot, or breaking into the world of the freelance and entrepreneurship. So this is website also a career related website, and you can create a job and you can submit the resume and you can get a job from this website as well. And this website also a good website, and just I have made few search and I have seen the review. They have good review from Google. And here you see this call another website, Dice, DIC. So if you go Google and search dice.com, then you will appear this website. And here see, as I have show you 5 website, this is also another website, and same things. Here you can also get a job. Just search anything, job title, skill, or company. UX design. So if you see, if you have the skill and have any job matching in this keyword, and I hope at least one job will appear. Here you see one day ago, senior product designer, UX design, web and mobile, and you can save and you can contact with them and you can apply for this job as well. And here you see you can here have many option. You can get full-time job, part-time job, contract job, third-party job. So don't worry, guys, just if you have the skill, you can get a job from this website. And here you see another website called Gbar. So you can, this website also is like that's website, all website, and you can create your account. You can optimize your profile to get a job from this website. And here I guess this website actually have premier membership. How much you see, upgrade for 1 year only $60, and per month $5 premier membership from this website. And I guess if they have premium option, they will actually suggest you to get a job. So doesn't matter what the matter, you need actually a job. So go through a website and you can figure it out and find out a job from this website as well. And this is called another website, Career Builder, Work Can Work. So you can work from home this website as well. And this is same, I just have just show you 6 website. This actually number 8 website. And here you see, if you search anything like Photoshop, so what actually happened, here you see, just I am searching different keyword every place, and here you see lots of job appear already. And you can get one of the job if you have the right skill. Here you see they just showed me 2837 job. So guys, don't disappointed, go through this those website I will show you, and just figure out a job which actually related your skill and apply for this job, and don't be disappointed, apply again and again, and you can avail a job to manage from online. And online earning is very easy and very good. You don't have to appear in the place, you can work from home. This is very nice, I think. And I am also working from home, and I have also earning from some website. So I am going to show you another website. This is called Glassdoor, so you can find a job from this website as well. And this is a little bit different than others website, but you can still manage a job from this website. And here you see, you can read the about how actually the terms and conditions, and how actually manage the job from this website. If you are employer, then here you see, unlock employer account, sign in. So you have to sign in for job, and here find a job. Okay, so I think they need a register to unlock Glassdoor, so you have to must register for to see how actually this website working. So guys, I am near to finish my video. I am going to show you last website, and this is most popular website called LinkedIn. So this is the website where you can get at least one job. If you don't manage a job from last 9 website, you can, I can give you guarantee, if you have a skill and if you optimize your profile properly from this website, you will get a job, at least a job from this website. Because every day million job post have this website. Just go through this website and sign in your account, and optimize your account properly, and make sure you are giving all the skill you have, and you have a nice CV, and give the your contact information. Then you will, so give your contact information, recruits will message you. And I also have the account in LinkedIn. I also get message from the recruiters, and I didn't have hired from this website, but I know this website very good website. If you try this website, you can get a manage a job from this website. So guys, this was the 10 website where you can find the dream job, and I can give you guarantee, if you have skill, you can find your job. So if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this long video.